Welcome to Auto Garage. If you're a true car enthusiast, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest reviews, performance tests, and everything happening in the auto world. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE, a beast that's turning heads and burning rubber with every mile. This isn't just a facelift, it's a statement from Chevy that the muscle car is still alive and screaming. Let's get straight to it. The moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE, it hits you. This thing is aggressive, not just in performance, but in presence. Up front, the sharper LED headlights with their darkened accents give it a menacing squint, while the blacked-out grille and massive air intakes scream, track ready. Chevy has refined the aerodynamics, too. The front splitter is bigger, the hood has functional vents for improved cooling, and the rear sports a massive spoiler that's not just for show. It's all function. The 1LE package brings satin black accents, 20-inch forged aluminum wheels, and Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3 tires that look like they're ready to bite the pavement. Walk around to the back, and the quad exhaust tips and diffuser round off a design that's unmistakably American muscle. But this isn't old-school muscle anymore, this is modern, lean, and smart. Slide into the cabin, and the upgrades continue. The 2026 SS 1LE interior blends track focus with everyday livability. You're greeted with Recaro performance seats that hug you tight in the corners but stay surprisingly comfortable on long drives. The steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in suede with contrast stitching that feels premium and grippy, exactly what you want when carving corners. There's also a healthy dose of Alcantara and soft-touch materials that push the Camaro's interior beyond what you'd expect from a traditional muscle car. Tech-wise, Chevy didn't hold back. The fully digital 12.3-inch driver display is crisp, customizable, and responsive. The center infotainment screen has been bumped up to 11 inches and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And yes, the performance data recorder is back, letting you relive your best track moments, or your worst, depending on how brave you are. Under the hood is where the real magic happens. The 6.2-liter LT1 V8 engine roars to life with 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a slick shifting 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, manual is still alive, and it feels amazing. If you prefer, there's a 10-speed automatic available, but the manual is where the real connection happens. 0 to 60. Around 4 seconds flat, top speed. Let's just say it's well into license-losing territory. But the 1LE isn't just about straight-line speed. This package includes magnetic ride control, electronic limited slip differential, Brembo performance brakes, and a track-tuned suspension setup. It's confident, planted, and incredibly sharp in the corners. You can feel the car working with you, never against you. Whether you're hitting apexes or just carving up a backroad, the SS 1LE is more than just brute force, it's precision-engineered performance. Now let's talk price, because value matters, especially in a market where everything is getting more expensive. The 2026 Camaro SS 1LE starts at around $52,000, depending on options. That might sound like a lot until you consider what you're getting: a track-capable car with supercar-like performance at a fraction of the price. Compare it to what you'd spend on a European performance coupe with similar numbers, and the Camaro starts to look like a serious bargain. One thing to keep in mind: production of V8 muscle cars is slowing down, and this may be one of the last pure, naturally aspirated V8 Camaros we ever see. That alone makes the 2026 SS 1LE a collector's dream. If you've ever thought about getting one, now might be your last real chance. So, what do you think? Is the 2026 Camaro SS 1LE the ultimate American muscle car, or are the electric newcomers catching up too fast? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you enjoyed this review and want more honest, in-depth looks at the world's best performance machines, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Garage. We've got more reviews, comparisons, and behind-the-wheel action coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next ride.